Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about individuals who have a chip of entitlement on their shoulder. I have seen many individuals who come to the various investor meetings that we host, and they'll say something to the extent of, "There's nothing that you can teach me that I don't already know," or "I have it all figured out." Or I'm here, but I don't know why I'm here, right? That is a statement that I hope that I would never say in the lifetime of my existence. Is that somebody could not teach me more. There's a lot to learn. I've seen most people who are getting in mistakes are people who have a chip of entitlement on their shoulder, whether their past career has led them to believe that they're able to figure everything out on their own. When it comes to real estate investing is just that. It's a new subject. And with any subject, you must first get your education, then you shadow, and then you perform. With real estate investing, where I see people going wrong is they forget to get their education, they forget to shadow, they go straight to performing, and then they make mistakes. So, if you're interested in learning more, please send us an email, give us a call. We'd be happy to help you with either your education or partnering or being able to buy one of the leads that you're working on and give you some education along the way. Our contact numbers will be provided. Thank you.